Hey guys, Zib here for iCycle with a very exciting tutorial for jailbreak fans. Coolstar has finally released Electra 1.0 jailbreak tool for public, which means anyone with an iPhone, iPad or iPod Touch running iOS 11.0 up to iOS 11.1.2 can use this jailbreak tool to jailbreak their devices. What makes this jailbreak special is the fact that it comes with Cydia, which means once the jailbreak process has completed, you will have a fully functional Cydia installed on your jailbroken device. The whole process is quite simple, and by the end of this video you will have a successfully jailbroken device. Keep in mind that this is a semi-untethered jailbreak, which means you will have to re-jailbreak your iPhone every 7 days using the same process. Let's start with the jailbreak process. For this tutorial you will need Cydia Impactor and Electra IPA. Download links for both are available in the description. Once you have downloaded Cydia Impactor and Electra IPA, connect your iPhone using a lightning cable to your computer. Launch Cydia Impactor tool on your computer, and once you see your iPhone showing up, simply drag and drop Electra IPA on it. Enter your Apple ID details. Make sure the Apple ID that you are using does not have two-factor authentication turned on. You will have to enter your password as well, and then wait for the tool to do its job. Once you see the complete message, unplug your iPhone and on the home screen, look for the Electra icon. Now when you try to launch it, you will get an error, as you will see in a moment. To fix this error, go to Settings. Now scroll up and go to General. Scroll up, tap on Device Management, your Apple ID, and then click on the Trust button and confirm. Now return to the home screen and launch Electra again. This time you should not get the error and Electra app should be running on your device. Once you see the Electra app running, tap on the jailbreak button to start the process again. Tap on the continue jailbreak button and wait for the tool to completely jailbreak your device. During the Cydia installation process, your iPhone will show a loading sign on top of a black screen. At this point, Cydia is still being installed, so don't do anything and wait for the process to complete. The black screen should appear for a few moments. Once the installation is done, you will be able to unlock your device, and on the home screen you will find the Cydia icon. Tap on the Cydia icon and it should launch without any troubles. And there you have a jailbroken device. You can now start downloading your favorite iOS 11 tweaks. As you can see here, this is an iPhone 6 running iOS 11.1.2 with Cydia installed. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more jailbreak content. We will see you in our next video.